Meet my cat, Alfred, who might not have the coolest name in the world, but definitely makes up for it with his massive personality. Lately, I've been obsessed with those loud, explosive text effects popping up all over YouTube that seem to smack your eyeballs every time you scroll. It seems like everyone from massive creators to tiny niche channels is using this violent but weirdly satisfying bounce effect to keep audiences hooked. I spent forever trying to figure out how to replicate that punchy MrBeast style energy without spending my entire weekend keyframing text in Premiere Pro. Today, I want to show you a faster, cleaner path to getting that exact subtitle vibe using a tool called Vizard, which slots right into your workflow. Full disclosure, I'm not here to sell you on software. I just genuinely want to share a better way to handle your content production. While tools like After Effects are powerful, they demand hours of manual work. And while other apps are great, they often lack the advanced styling I need. Vizard hits a sweet spot by automating the boring parts like finding viral hooks and styling captions, which is huge for scaling short-form content. Let's start with step 1. Simply upload your long-form video, like the 10-minute vlog where I introduced Alfred and made some terrible puns. Vizard instantly kicks off the process by transcribing your entire audio file automatically, so you aren't stuck typing words from scratch. The transcription accuracy is typically solid, usually around 90%. So just give it a quick scan to fix any weird words or spelling mistakes. Step 2 is where the magic happens. You let the AI analyze your footage to find the most engaging segments that have the highest viral potential. Instead of manually scrubbing through minutes of dead air, the tool identifies pauses, laughter, and high-energy moments that belong on social media. I specifically chose the clip where I introduced Alfred because the AI successfully pinpointed a 7-second hook that felt immediate and shareable. Moving to step 3, we can finally dive into the fun part, customizing those captions to get that signature pop-out look. You can play with fonts, colors, and sizes, but I suggest using their preset styles designed specifically to mimic those high-retention platform trends. These presets automatically handle that aggressive bold font with thick strokes that seem to explode on screen exactly when you speak. If you want that specific MrBeast energy, try selecting a bold, heavy typeface and increasing the size until it practically dominates the viewer's screen. The beauty here is that Vizard handles the complex responsive timing, making the text appear and disappear in perfect sync with your audio peaks. Step 4 is all about the rhythm, because great captions are less about font size and more about the cadence of your speech. MrBeast style edits rely on short, punchy phrases that land like a physical hit, so you want to keep your character counts low and durations snappy. In the software, simply adjust your caption chunking settings to shorten the minimum duration and force the system to break up long sentences. This creates that rapid-fire, readable one-liner effect that keeps eyes glued to the screen instead of letting them drift away. For extra drama, you can even layer in a subtle scale animation or add a satisfying sound effect to every single word pop. Step 5 involves refining the visuals by adding a little color pop, maybe by turning your keywords into a bright neon shade to grab attention. I like to nudge the text off-center or play with shadows to create that intentional, slightly chaotic imbalance that feels professional yet human. Step 6 is a massive time saver because you can export the exact same content for Shorts, Reels, and Instagram without rebuilding the layout. The software automatically generates different crops, and you can easily move your captions so they don't get covered by platform icons or buttons. This multi-format workflow is honestly a game changer if you're trying to publish your content across several different platforms simultaneously. Step 7 is where you wrap it all up with the auto-editing viral clips feature, which tightens up your start and end points perfectly. Instead of fumbling with manual uploads, you can use the auto-schedule feature to queue your clips for the optimal posting times over the next few weeks. It keeps you consistent without turning the act of posting into a second full-time job that eats away at your creativity. Compare this to stitching together Premiere, Hootsuite, and other manual tools. This singular ecosystem saves you a massive amount of cognitive load. While it isn't perfect and sometimes requires a quick manual human touch, the speed at which you can bulk produce content is truly unmatched. To wrap this all up, you absolutely can do this the old-fashioned way. But why work harder when you have tools like this? It turns a single long recording session into a pipeline of ready-to-post, highly engaging content without the manual headaches. If you found this workflow helpful, please go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe for more creator tips and tricks. Go check out the tool. Try turning your own long videos into shorter clips and see if it helps you stay consistent with your publishing schedule. It's not magic. You still need great content. but this is the kind of leverage that helps you actually spend more time creating and less time on busy work. All right, Alfred is currently demanding his breakfast, so I am officially out of here for now. See you in the next one.